Hey guys, I got a severe thunderstorm watch right now. I'm getting on my Dagger 120. So yeah, I'm about to get it. Oh, hi. Oh, I'm sorry guys. I just got a severe thunderstorm watch.
Effective until midnight Central Daylight Time Monday. This watch includes the following counties: in Missouri, Christian, Dade, Dallas, Douglas, Greene, Macleod, Lawrence, Polk, Stone, Taney, Webster, and Wright. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 537 has been issued until midnight Central Daylight Time Monday for the following counties: in Missouri, Christian, Dade, Dallas, Douglas, Greene, Macleod, Lawrence, Polk, Stone, Taney, Webster, and Wright. Here is your National Weather Service forecast for Southwest Missouri.
Sorry for that broken floor. So sorry, I turned on the TV. Just turn on TV. Waiting to get on the TV.
Highway sanding crews are out in full force. 8 miles up the hill.
Alright guys, stay tuned and I'll probably get on the TV. Alright guys, see you.